Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are doing this look, so I hope you guys stay tuned to see how it worked out. Interestingly, in this video I actually used this Revlon Stay Matte Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Passion, and I used it in 3 different ways. So I hope you guys stay tuned so you can see how all that unfolded. If you are new here, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on my channel. Do hit that subscribe button and become part of the fam. Hit that notification bell as well so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get into the video.
To start off, I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser Primer, the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer, and apply it all over my face for that base. And then next I'm going to apply the Illegal Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator in the shade Afterglow, just to give myself that underlying glow. Then we're contouring with the Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm applying it all over the areas that I want to have my face contoured. So you see there by the forehead, the cheeks, the chin, the nose, and my eyes. So basically I created a little cat eye situation with the brown concealer, the contouring concealer, and you'll see it creates sort of like a brown eyeshadow effect. So that's really just about it. That's really why I used it. Over there, it's not really anything deep. Then I'm blending it out with a brush. As you can see by my forehead and the rest of my face, I'm using a bigger brush, and by my nose, if you saw there, I was using a smaller brush. Now for the start of the show, I'm using the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Passion. As I told you guys at the beginning of this video, I'm going to use it in 3 different ways, and now I'm using it first as blush, blending it out with a brush, and then using it as eyeshadow and blending it out with a round fluffy eyeshadow brush. So here as eyeshadow, I'm actually using it as the base color, so the primary color of my eyeshadow, but I am going to apply another shadow on top. But as you can see, it's blending out beautifully to form this beautiful, lovely shadow like color. So you can use it as is if that's what you like, or you can use it as base for some other different look. But that is how it turned out. And I'm using this Catrice Champagne Shower Cream eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow. It's basically like your cream eyeshadows will just give you a big pop. It will be a huge pop of color, whatever color you want. As you can see, that's a big golden shimmer, and I'm using a flat brush to just make sure that it's all there. It's blended out. Whatever needs to be blended or flattened is flattened out, and then I'm using my round fluffy brush to obviously diffuse the edges of my cut crease. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer again, but now in the shade Warm Honey, to highlight all the areas of my face that I want highlighted. So you see there by my chin, forehead, nose, underneath my eyes, and there underneath my eyes, check that towards the end of the eye, I used it to sort of elongate and also clean up, but lifting the eye. So that is the technique that I use to also like wake up my face and use apply it as lifted, so to lift up my face basically. Hope you guys understand. But for foundation, I love the way I apply my foundation now, because I apply it after the concealers, and this saves so much product. I'm using the Colorstay Full Cover Foundation by Revlon in the shade Caramel, and yeah, I used so little of it, as you can see. And now I'm using my Candid concealer in the shade number 25. It's a little bit brighter. It's actually more brighter than the concealer that I'd use, and I'm just applying it right there underneath my eyes because I want to brighten them a little bit more. To set, I'm using my Yardley loose translucent powder with my fluffy face brush so that I do not overuse the product. So I use just a little bit whatever is needed for the setting. Then I'm using my Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the shade Expresso, and I'm using this powder to just sort of set my contour or intensify it where it needs to be, but I'm using just a little bit and going over all the areas that I applied my cream concealer to contour. Now I'm going in with my Rimmel Kate highlighting powder, my Rimmel Kate highlighting palette. I'm using the golden shade in the middle, and then using my smaller fan brush to apply it right there at the high points of my cheeks, then the tip of my nose, and bridge of my nose. Now I'm going in with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Black to line my waterline. Now then I'm going with a brown eyeshadow and with a flat brush just to line underneath my waterline to smoke it out a bit. And then I'm going in with my Essence Superlast eyeliner that is waterproof in 18 hour in the shade Black to line my lash line, so the upper lash line. Just to line it, not to create the cat eye or anything, but to prep it for the lashes to make sure there aren't any gaps. And then for mascara, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara, and then I'm ready for lash application. I do have a mascara application and a lash application tutorial. I will link them up in the cards. To line my lips, I'm using the MAC Antique Velvet lipstick. I've been loving using this lipstick for lip liner. This is such a perfect shade, and I love the creaminess. And then again with my Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, the shade is still Passion. I'm now using it for lipstick. So what we usually use it for, this is the third time I'm using it in the video. There we go. Now I'm applying my lashes. To set everything, I'm using my Maybelline Superlast Fix Spray.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, click that thumbs up button to indicate to me that you like this video. Comment down below to let me know which part was your favorite part, or to request another video, or to just leave me any type of comment that you'd like to leave me. Share this video with somebody you think might benefit from watching this video, and remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, and click that notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.